The good thing is, man, he's got drain hose. He drains really nice. Oh yeah, by the way, a fool and his money soon part. That dude looks scared. There you go. Cybertruck. Alrighty, so I pulled the wheel off the bad grandpa, and I got these stencils, bad grandpa stencils from Treadwear. So I got them on here. I'm gonna paint them up and see how they look. I had to run and get some more paint because my paint was old, and had to run up to Walmart. I got me some Rust-Oleum satin white. We'll see how it looks, but stay tuned. I'll show you what they look like on there. All right, well, I got it painted on there. Hopefully they turn out okay. So let's get the other side, try to get it off, and well, I guess I'll have to wait till this dries a little bit. I'll give it a little bit to dry, and then I'll get the other side off, paint it. All right, well, at least Mother Nature gave us a minute or two to load. I got the bad grandpa things on there, so I need to put them on both sides of the wheels. I hope they'll be okay for this weekend. Only got them on one side, but we're gonna go to Fordfest. It's raining, and it's raining down there, but at least the wind slowed down a little bit, and there's a possibility of some halfway decent weather tomorrow, so. Ooh, look at Bertha.
The iconic Frosty for a buck? Gotta be Wendy's.
Limited time only. Participating U.S. Wendy's. Not valid in a combo. Prices may be higher in Alaska, Hawaii, California via third-party delivery. See website for it.
Well, that car's following me again in the rain this time. But that's the beauty of having something with patina. You can take it out in the rain, it ain't gonna hurt it. So I don't know how many pretty paint jobs are down here, but Bad Grandpa's gonna be down here. Alright, this is when the Bad Grandpa looks the best, but it's raining. Well, I guess I need to be a little further away, but the good thing is, man, he's got drain hose. He drains really nice. That's why I brought him. Ain't no chance of him floating away. Drain hose all over him. He's draining the water out. Alright, well, let's go give this Fordfest thing a try. Get over here and slow down. The rain is just barely, well, I don't even think there's anything coming out of the sky now. But check out them moves. Bad Grandpa on there. I guess next time I can do it a little better. But I think I'm gonna get something to put on the opposite side. Heading into Beach Bend. So, a little mist on the windshield. That's okay. Hopefully it'll clear up here in a little while. Looked like on the thing that we were gonna have some breaks, so maybe so. Well, it looks like the Burnout Contest is canceled for tonight, so it is what it is. But we found some Gran Torino parts. Let me show you. In there are some brown parts I need for the brown recluse. And Gran Torino Sport and a Gran Torino. What do you think, Bill?
It's wet.
It's wet?
Yeah.
Shoes wet? My shoes are wet. We're out here in the rain checking stuff out. I don't see any Golden Moroso stuff though. I need some Golden Moroso valve covers. There you go. Cybertruck. We got this awesome Maverick pulled up next to me. And look at this. to the bad grandpa. I already had a bad grandpa sticker that I gave him on the fire tour. That's awesome. Check it out. Little Danger Ranger. It's awesome. But there's quite a few cars out here. People brought their pretty stuff. Look, there's Bill again. He's holding our waters. Look, it's a Ford nothing. It's a nada. Que nada. Tires on the back of the Grande. This is a bad boy right here. Good thing about this, cars like this are shiny. The wheels on the back of this. Is this? Oh my gosh, it's my truck. My truck is over here. This is exactly what I need right here.
How's it going?
Going good, brother.
There ain't a stock box. There ain't a stock box in that car's body no more.
I like their pulling truck.
This is my front windshield trim with my rear windshield.
Proof eyes here, Josh. Proof eyes here, buddy. They're looking good. With them brand new tires on there. All right, look at that little thing over there. Let's walk up to it. You know it's big when I come to. All right, this is at eye level. That's how far up the tire I come. Right there. All right, man, puppy around. There you go.
I don't even know how you drive it.
Any one of them. Check out this 63 though. Riding high. Bet you that thing's scary to drive. There you go, Teresa. Tell me no sitting in one spot doing a burnout. Let me mess up the track. That dude looks scared up there. White knuckling. Look at this mess. People turning. And I guess at this Ford Fest and Bill drove a Chevrolet. Look what they did to his truck. They got that and the little tracks there. But yeah, I guess somebody took off out of here and spun tires is what they did. They got you, Bill. Oh yeah, by the way, a fool and his money soon part. them guys made me I can't walk away from these price. So, yeah, Bronco up there. Like, right there, made me miss my Bronco. Tennessee Broncos Club. Go right there, buddy. There you go, Taryn. We get that paint. That big bad beast right there. It's a bad dude. Got all kinds of noise making going on out there. Got them all lined up to drift. We got all the Capris. Man, I love Capris. Wish Austin would get his done and bring it down here. Look, oh, look at that in the background. What is that bad beast? The bad grandpa. All right. Nice purple Mustang. This is what I need right here. Love me a bullnose. It's going down. I'm about out of here, people. There's another bullnose right there. And another bullnose right there. It's like a bullnose reunion this weekend. The Mustang's backed up against the thing. Got a half camo car here. Probably shouldn't have sold my Bronco, either one of them. That's nice, very nice. The L81 Galaxy. There's Craig Borden's car. Back there. Ooh, look at the taillights on that Maverick. That's pretty cool. Little GT 350. Somebody's Focus ST. Look at that back there though. Ooh, doggies. Brick nose. Very nice. Yeah, there you go. Step side. That's what I want. This is that. The unibody that was next to me. Drifting out there. Grandpa ain't the widest one on the expressway. I don't know what that was, but see, I got these up here in front of me too.